Okay. That day had come about through the unimaginable sacrifices of thousands of my people whose suffering and courage can never be counted or repaid. Here, Nelson Mandela is saying that that day has come. Before this day, people has suffered a lot, had sacrificed a lot. Now, this time has come to repay for the sacrifices and for the suffering people had gone through it. मतलब बोल रहे हैं कि इतनी ज़्यादा सेक्रीफाइस करी है लोगों ने, थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पीपल ने सेक्रीफाइस किया है, लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा सफ़र किया है, और अब वो दिन आ गया है जहाँ पे रीपे किया जाए उनको, उनके सफरिंग पे. ठीक है. यहाँ बोल रहे हैं कि करेज कैन नेवर बी काउंटेड और रीपेड. करेज को आप कभी भी रीपे नहीं कर सकते, ना आप काउंट कर सकते हो, लेकिन जो सेक्रीफाइस है उसका जो रिज़ल्ट है वो ये दिन है. ठीक है. I felt that day, as I have on so many other days, that I was simply the sum of all those African patriots who had gone before me. That long and noble line ended and now begin again with me. I was pained that I was not able to thank them and that they were not able to see what their sacrifices had wrought. अब देखो, पेट्रियट्स कौन होते हैं? पेट्रियट्स आर देशभक्त, है ना. नोबल पीपल, नोबल मतलब बेस्ट, सिंपली द बेस्ट. एंड पेंड इज दुख. एंड wrought means something which is achieved. Now he's saying that he's feeling that this freedom, or you can say this result of freedom is because many people sacrifice their life before him, and this is the sum up, or this is the result of their sacrifices, and I am the result of their sacrifices, because many people had sacrificed their life. So those their sacrifice has made Nelson Mandela so strong that he is able to feed his country and make South Africa a democratic country. ठीक है. The long and noble line ended and now begin again with me. बोला है कि जो नोबल लाइन थी, द लंबी लॉन्ग एंड नोबल लाइन इज ending now, or has ended now, and that line is again beginning with me. I was pained that I was not able to thank them. अब वो बोल रहा है कि he was sad that he was not able to thank those you can say those great people who has sacrificed their life for the freedom of South Africa, or you can say to eliminate the racism against black South African people. He was not able to thank them. And uh, all those people who had fought a lot are not able to see their uh, what their sacrifice has brought or achieved. The policy of apartheid created a deep and lasting wound in my country and my people. What is apartheid? Apartheid mean color discrimination. बोल रहा है कि how color discrimination has wounded his country and his people. कि जो कलर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है, जो पॉलिसी है कलर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन की, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ख़राब थी. कंट्री को बहुत सफ़र करना पड़ा और उसके जो लोग हैं, ब्लैक पीपल हैं, उनको भी बहुत सफ़र करना पड़ा इस चीज़ से. All of us will spend many years, if not generation, recovering from the profound hurt, but the decades of oppression and brutality had another unintended effect, and that was that it produced the Oliver Tambos, the Walter Cecilus, and the Chief Luthilus, the Yusuf, the Dos, the Bram Fishers, Robert Subuquis of our time, men of such extraordinary courage, wisdom, and generosity that their like may never be known again. Perhaps it requires such depth of operation to create such height of characters. तो बोल रहा है कि ना, सब लोगों ने इतने सारे साल लगाए हैं इस कंट्री और इस जनरेशन को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए, रिकवर करने के लिए. रिकवरिंग फ्रॉम द प्रोफाउंड हर्ट मतलब डीपली जो हर्ट हुए थे उससे रिकवर होने के लिए इतने साल लगे हैं, इतने डेकेड्स लगे हैं. जो ऑपरेशन हुआ है, ऑपरेशन मतलब ऑपरेस दबाया गया जो ब्लैक पीपल को इतने डेकेड से, उन सब का इफ़ेक्ट जो है वो क्या था कि एक इतने एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी पीपल पैदा हुए हैं, तैयार हुए, जिन लोगों ने साउथ अफ्रीका की फ्रीडम के लिए काम किया. बोले कि एक बिना किसी ऑपरेशन के या ब्रुटैलिटी के, है ना, और ये क्या बोल सकते हैं उसको, अपार्थीड के, इतने अच्छे कैरेक्टर के लोग नहीं पैदा हो सकते हैं. ठीक है, अब उन्हें नाम दे रखे हैं इतने, ओलिवर, वॉल्टर, चीफ, यूसुफ, ब्राम एंड रॉबर्ट. These people are so extraordinary. They were so courageous. They were so generous, and they were also a wise people. All of these qualities they developed because of the decades of oppression, apartheid, है ना, brutality. Because of these evils, the people like Yusuf and Bram and Robert were born. बोल रहा है कि इन लोगों के बिना जो फ्रीडम थी साउथ अफ्रीका की वो पॉसिबल नहीं थी. ऐसे लोग वापस कभी नहीं पैदा हो सकते. वो बोल रहा है कि पीपल लाइक रॉबर्ट, ब्राम, वॉल्टर will never be born again, because these the character of these people were made because of the evils, or you can say the brutality, oppression, है ना, because of these. Now in future these things will not be repeat this these things will never repeat again. So the people like Robert will never born again. My country is rich in the minerals and gems that lie beneath its soil, but I have always known that its greatest wealth is its people, finer and truer than the purest diamonds. वो बोलता है, नेल्सन मंडेला बोलते हैं कि that I know my country has many lot of minerals and gems. Gems mean वो पत्थर जो होता है ना, कीमती पत्थर. My country has minerals and gems under its soil, but the real wealth, real richness is its people. My people are finer and truer than any purest diamond in the world. Basically, he's telling us about his countrymen, that they are the best, they are the greatest, they are true and purest, pure at heart. It is from these comrades in the struggle that I learned the meaning of courage. बोल रहा है, because of these comrades. Comrades कौन होते हैं? कमांडोज, है ना, साथी. So because of these comrades, because of these people, I have learned what is courage mean. They have taught me the true meaning of courage. Time and again I have seen men and women risk and give their lives for an idea. I have seen men stand up to attack and torture without breaking, showing a strength and resilience that defies the imagination. वो बोल रहा है, टाइम एंड अगेन, बार बार, he has seen men and women are fighting for their rights. The white people has fight for their lives for an idea. They have stood up to attack and torture without breaking. बोला है कि जो वहाँ के जो मेन हैं वो लोग टॉर्चर और अटैक्स के अगेंस्ट खड़े हुए हैं, और इतने दृढ़ निश्चय के साथ खड़े थे कि इतना फाइट किया उन्होंने कि कोई भी अटैक उनको ब्रेक नहीं कर पाया. I learned I learned that courage was not the absence of fear but the triumph over it. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. Nelson Mandela is saying that he has learned about the courage. Courage is not the absence of fear. A person who is courageous does not mean he does not fear anything. He fears everything. He fears something, but he is courageous because he has won a battle against fear. That is courage. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid. Brave man is not the one who do not fear or do not afraid of anything, but the brave man is one who conquers the fear. भाई ब्रेव मैन कौन है? ऐसा नहीं है कि जिसको डर नहीं लगता. ब्रेव मैन वो है जो फियर को कॉन्कर कर लेता है, मतलब कॉन्कर मतलब जीत लेता है. Okay, no one is born hating another person because of the color of his skin or his background or his religion. People must learn to hate, and if they can learn to hate, they can be taught to love. For love comes more naturally to the human heart than its opposite. बेसिकली क्या बोल रहे हैं ये? नो पीपल हेट other people because of his colors color of his skin or his background or his religion, and no one is born with it, born with this hate. But by the time passes, people uh, taught the other person to hate another other person on the basis of color, religion and background. He's saying that if people must learn to hate, if they learn to hate, they can be taught to love also. बोल रहा है कि किसी को हेट करना अगर कोई पर्सन सीख सकता है तो वो उसी पर्सन को प्यार करना भी सीख सकता है, बिकॉज लव कम्स नेचुरली. बोल रहा है कि लव कम्स नेचुरली टू द ह्यूमन हार्ट एंड द हेट डू नॉट कम्स नेचुरली. it is built by other person or some circumstances. बोले नफ़रत जो होती है, हेट मतलब नफ़रत, वो सिखा सकते हो. अगर वो कोई इंसान सीख सकता है तो प्यार करना भी सीख सकता है. और वैसे भी जो प्यार होता है वो नेचुरली आता है ह्यूमन बीइंग में, और जो नफ़रत होती है वो धीरे धीरे देख के लोगों को सर्कमस्टेंसेस की वजह से जो हेट होती है वो पैदा होती है इंसान के अंदर. ठीक है. Even in the grimmest time in prison, when my comrades and I were pushed to our limits, I would see a glimmer of humanity in one of the guard, perhaps just for a second, but it was enough to reassure me and keep me going. Man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden but never extinguished. In life, every man has twin obligation to his family, to his parents, to his wife and children, and he has an obligation to his people, his community, his country. In a civil and human society, each man is able to fulfill those obligation according to his own inclination and abilities. Basically बोल रहा है कि when he was in prison with his comrades, with his people, he saw and he pushed when the soldiers pushed them to their limits. He saw humanity in one of the guards' eyes, but the humanity was he saw humanity, but for few seconds. That reassured him that uh, that assured him that people can be changed. People have uh, humanity in their heart also, but it's hidden because of the obligation. Because people have obligation, they have twin obligation for country and obligation for his family. Because of his because of these obligation, people are confused. Some people love each other and some people hate each other. In society, each and every person has obligation to fulfill its own obligation. It's his obligation that he must fulfill one of the two obligations: obligation towards his family or the obligation towards his country. Okay.